Good day everyone, it's me again, Ma'am Janson, for our math lesson. Our lesson for this week 4 is about rectangular coordinate system. After going through the lesson, you are expected to illustrate the rectangular coordinate system and its uses, illustrate linear equations in two variables, and illustrate and find slope of a line given 2 points, equation, and a graph. First, let us define rectangular coordinate system. Rectangular coordinate system, or otherwise called Cartesian coordinate system, is attributed to the French mathematician and philosopher René Descartes. It is a two-dimensional system, consists of two number lines drawn perpendicular to each other. It has two lines intersecting at a common point called the origin. The horizontal line is the x-axis or the axis of abscissa, and the vertical line is the y-axis or the axis of the ordinate. Using point plotting, one associates an ordered pair of real numbers xy with a point in the plane in a one-to-one manner. xy is an ordered pair whose first coordinate is x called abscissa and the second coordinate is y called the ordinate. Remember, the ordered pair cannot be interchanged. X always comes first before y, and the intersection of the two axes called the origin has coordinates which are both 0. The x and y axes divide the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants, namely Quadrant I, Quadrant II, Quadrant III, and Quadrant IV. In Quadrant I, both the x and y coordinates are positive. In Quadrant II, the x coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is positive. In Quadrant III, both the coordinates are negative. And in Quadrant IV, the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative. Let us now proceed to plotting of points. In plotting of points, we always start from the origin. We look for the first number in the x-axis and we move up or down depending on the y coordinates. When y coordinate is positive, move upward, otherwise move downward. Example, point B whose coordinates are 2 and negative 3. So always start from the origin and then from there, we move 2 units to the right. And from 2, since y is negative 3, we move 3 units down. Therefore, point B is located in Quadrant 4. Another example, point C whose coordinates are 0 and 2. So always start from the origin. So in this example, point C is located in the positive y-axis. Example number 3. Point D whose coordinates are 4 and 0. It is located in the positive x-axis because y coordinate is 0. In plotting a point whose one coordinate is 0, it always lies on either of the two axes. Otherwise, if the coordinates are non-zero, they are located on any of the 4 quadrants. Learning task number 1. Letter A. Plot the given points on one coordinate plane. For letter A, negative 4 and 3, it is located in Quadrant 2. For point B, 2 and 7 in Quadrant 1. For point C, 5, negative 1, Quadrant 4. For point D, 0, negative 8, it is located in the negative y-axis. And then point E, negative 6, negative 2, it is located in the 3rd quadrant. Letter B. Identify the quadrant or axis of the following points. Number 1, negative 4, negative 2, Quadrant 3, 5, 0, Quadrant 1, 6, negative 8, Quadrant 4, negative 10, negative 35, Quadrant 3, and 0 and negative 12, it is located in the negative y-axis. Now, let us proceed to the next subtopic, linear equation in two variables. Definition. Linear equation is an equation in the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c can be any real number, and x and y variables may represent any number that will satisfy the equation. At least 1 is not equal to 0, and in this equation, it is written in its standard form. Example, 2x plus 3y equals 32, x plus 3y equals 3, 4x plus y equals 24. These equations will only be true if we can find an ordered pair xy that will satisfy the equation. Example, which of the following ordered pairs will make the equation 2x plus 3y equals 32 true? Is it 0.410 or 0.104? For 2x plus 3y equals 32, where the first ordered pair is 4 and 10, solution. For the first ordered pair x equals 4 and y equals 10, substitute x by 4 and y by 10. So 2 times 4 we have 8, 3 times 10 we have 30. So 8 plus 30 is 38, which is not equal to 32. Therefore, the ordered pair 4, 10 did not make the equation true, hence it is not a solution. For the second ordered pair 10, 4, here's the solution. So x equals 10 and y equals 4. Again, substitute x by 10 and y by 4. We have 2 times 10, we have 20. 3 times 4, we have 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. They are equal. Therefore, the ordered pair 10, 4 satisfies the given equation. Hence, 10, 4 is called the solution of the equation. In a given equation, there are several ordered pairs that will satisfy the equation, and these ordered pairs will be contained in one line. Remember that 2 points determine a line. Hence, we can graph the equation of the line by having only 2 points, whose coordinates make the equation true. Illustrative example. Find 5 solutions for the linear equation x plus y equals 3 and plot the solutions as points on a coordinate system. As you can see from the table at the right, the following ordered pairs are solutions of the equation x plus y equals 3. So first, when x is 1, the value of y is 2. And then second ordered pair, we have x and y as 2 and 1. Third, we have 3 and 0. Fourth, we have 4 and negative 1. And the last, 5 and negative 2. So that will be all for now. The continuation of this lesson will be discussed in my next presentation. Thank you for listening and happy learning!